Giraffe in the chat says, what are we checking Twitter for? So basically, Matthew here, I'm showing he wants to do like a trading bot. And the very first step of it is you need to be able to implement a research workflow. So I'm showing him how to do that within his agent of choice, his Claude. So his Claude needs to be able to open Twitter by itself and perform research by looking at the data within Twitter. The way you do these things is you can't just automate from scratch, right? You have to automate a workflow that a human does that's already working. That's usually how you get the best results because the human workflow proves the results already. We need to get Claude Premium first. You mean Claude Pro? You can just get the $20 a month plan for ChatGPT or Claude and it works. Like if you want to use the free version, honestly, you just don't have enough tokens to do things properly. If you're a business owner or someone who works at a company and you're not as efficient as you'd like, I'd like to help. I'm live every Sunday on YouTube and Twitch at this time below, answering all your questions about AI and content. So come by and we'll figure out how to help you best where you should start. And if you want more personalized help, I also have a private community you can join where I host weekly calls, whichever one you want. So I hope to see you there next Sunday and we'll figure out how to help you.